Kind of weird. I don't know why it cuts off, but it does.
Much better.
Okay, I got my quiz pulled up.
I'm good.
Okay. While you're required to work together. Okay, I can read number 3.
Okay, cool.
What requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples? Mark all that up. Okay. I need to pull up the chapter.
Yeah, I'm looking through it right now. Oh, there are 2 requirements that need to be checked when conducting a hypothesis test for 2 means with independent samples. A simple random sample was drawn from each of the populations.
Oh, duh, that was kind of duh.
And then X is normally distributed for each group.
So the first 2.
Easy.
Good job, Michael.
Thanks. Sometimes I can read.
Sometimes I can read. I know, that's how I feel some days.
I know.
I find it.
The test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing 2 means with an independent sample is a z-score, t-score, or F statistic.
Come on, load.
I believe it's a t-score.
Yeah.
Because I think it says it right under that. The test
It should be
statistic.
yeah, because remember when we were using the wrong thing?
Yeah.
And it was the t-score that it gave us, so.
Yeah. So the test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing 2 means with an independent sample is a t. That's nice. 2 samples are independent if
I think it's the second option.
2 samples are independent if knowing which subjects are in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects are in group 2. Does that help anything? With independent samples, there's no pairing between groups. I'm just reading from the chapter. Is that anything?
I'm trying to find it. I don't remember.
Data for, wait, where was I reading? I'm losing it. 2 samples are independent if knowing which subjects are in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects are in group 2. Is that it?
Yeah, that's the second one.
Which subjects will be in group 1 determined? Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Cool.
What you're saying, sorry.
Those ones are easy. I hope it goes like this the rest of the time.
Yeah. Which would be very nice.
For the next 6 questions, use the data file. This data represents a simple random sample of dental bills at a dentist office in Idaho Falls and a dentist office in Rexburg. Let U be the mean bill at the Idaho Falls, and let U2 be the mean at the bill, or mean the bill at the Rexburg office. Perform a hypothesis test to determine if the mean bill at Idaho Falls is less than the mean bill at the office. Which means we'll have the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. Use the level of significance A equals 0.1. And then what are the degrees of freedom is the question.
I need to put that all in the...
Yep.
We're doing the paired sample, right?
Yes. So we're doing the one that we first did last time.
I think I got them all in.
My Excel has had issues the last couple times. It's really frustrating.
That would be frustrating. Especially now that we know how to use it.
I know.
For degrees of freedom, or are you guys ready? Sorry.
Yeah, I want to make sure I did it right. Degrees of freedom, did you get 19?
Oh no.
Oh, flip.
I mean, what it gave me on Excel was 37.996.
That's what I got 19.000.
On Excel?
Yeah, okay, so I'm on the paired.
Oh, sorry. I think it's the 2-sample t-test because they're 2 different samples.
When did we use the pair one then?
We did the pair one last time.
Hi, welcome to Dairy Queen. Go ahead and order whenever you're ready.
Sorry,
Hey,
I'm a
give me
Dairy Queen.
just a second.
That's really fun.
I said I picked one of them. I didn't care. Give me 3 choices.
Only heard two.
Did you just say give me 3 choices?
No, he's
Oh.
like, well, you picked Dairy Queen. I said I gave you 3 choices.
Oh, I was like, I tell my husband that all the time. Give me 3 choices. I thought it was super
Yeah,
funny.
give me 3. I want the chicken strip basket. You don't want
Fries
these,
and
we
a
could go
fries
somewhere
and a
else.
drink.
Just fries. But we have drinks. Unless you want to give me ice cream or something instead.
We could share an ice cream.
Okay.
What do you want to share?
I don't care. I'm in a meeting.
All right, you there?
Okay.
Yeah, what can I get for you?
Can I get a number 8?
Okay,
No drink, actually, just the sandwich. Sorry.
okay, so that's fine.
And then can I get a chicken strips basket?
The 4 or the 60.
The 4-piece, please.
Did you want a drink with that?
No, that's okay. That's the
Okay.
basket. And then can I get? Let's see. Do you have a brownie cookie dough blizzard?
We definitely can do that for you.
I will take a medium size of that.
Okay, and you said brownie cookie dough?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. That should do it.
Okay, I'm sorry, that was a medium?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, no, that's fine. All right, so then that'll be $15.80 at the second pickup.
Right on. Thanks.
I would have got an ice cream for that. Did you get ice cream?
I got a cookie dough brownie blizzard.
Okay, now I'm back. Sorry.
You're fine.
Okay, so did you guys put it into the 2-sample t-test?
Wait, I just had to go and put in the summary statistics again, and all mine are going as #REF.
Oh, I don't think you need to put in the summary statistics because at the top it says please either enter the data or the summary statistics.
Well, it was.
What'd you get, Mikel?
Mine's loading.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying.
Put it all in, and then I took them all out. And now it's still REF.
Well, this is awkward.
Don't do that. Why are you being so? Okay. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna pull up a whole new one. Oh my gosh, my computer fan is like really blowing. And it sounds like a jet taking off. Can you guys hear that all?
What?
No.
Computer fan?
Oh, I thought it's a fan of this stupid thingy that I have my computer plugged into in the car.
Oh no.
Because that's pretty loud. It sounds like a jet taking off.
Yeah, it's my computer. Please don't die of me. You're way too expensive. Okay, I got 37.996.
Okay, that's what I got.
I just had to open it up again. And
Okay, mine's still loading. Sorry, guys.
That's okay. We'll forgive you because it's not your fault. We don't forgive your computer.
Oh my goodness. Okay. You guys got, sorry, repeat it one more time.
37.996.
996. Okay.
Hopefully that's right.
And then what's the sample standard deviation for
For Rexburg, that's the variable 2.
Yeah, 206.637.
206.63.
Just throw all the water back.
It was $15.80. Right on. You want to live here, don't you? Yeah, might as well.
I need to figure out what to make for dinner.
You could go to Dairy Queen.
No, now that I'm thinking of dinner. I haven't gone grocery shopping in like a month. It's getting really bad.
Have you gone to Aldi's?
Yes, I have been to Aldi's.
Aldi's is a great store.
Apparently they have them in Europe.
Kylie, what'd you say you got? Sorry to interrupt. You got two.
No, you're fine. I got 206.637.
Okay, that's what I got too.
But yeah, we would that's the Chase all the time on admission.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
I go to Price Chopper, Kylie.
What?
Price Chopper?
Oh, Price Chopper? Yeah. I heard about that place.
Yeah, that's where I've been going.
Aldi's is good for produce because it has really cheap produce.
Mm-hmm. I want to place that really cheap produce.
Well, I can't hear you very well for some reason, Melissa. Well, now I really can't hear you.
We're not
Okay.
talking.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Very good. Okay, what's my next question?
Find the test statistic.
Oh, hold my phone.
It asks the p-value, so.
Oh, the p-value. Test. Okay, test is. Test statistic. Is that the test statistic? How do I figure
It's
that
the
out?
T-score.
Is that the T, the negative 0.3? I mean,
0.434?
34, yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
The kitchen a little bit, but yeah. But yeah.
9 p-value 0.66.
I got 0.3333.
Sorry, I got distracted. My husband's talking to me, so I got distracted. 1 second. I can find it.
Why are we good for once, but we've gotten everything else the same?
I think so. What did you put in as your so the type of test up in that box by confidence level?
Not equal
What
to.
Oh, I put mine as less than because the alternative hypothesis is U of 1 is less than U of 2. And that will change the p-value.
So if I had an equal sign, then I wouldn't do not equal to.
Yeah, do the less than, I think. I think that's right, but I'm not sure.
Well, then I got the 0.333.
Okay, that's what I got, but I was just basing that off of the alternative hypothesis.
Yeah.
Sounds very educated of you.
Thank you. I tried very hard.
You're gonna get higher scores than me on that practice. Totally.
I doubt that.
Probably
I
not.
only passed the middle school math one with 5 points.
That's like how many I passed. Well, I guess I got like 10 above, huh?
The social studies, you got 22 above.
I know. That was so weird. And it's cracking up about it.
Okay. So the p-value.
Oh, the p-value is 0.333.
Oh, sorry. Then I missed what the test statistic was.
Negative
Joey's upset that there's pickles in his pulled pork sandwich.
0.434.
Okay.
I love pickles.
You do.
Yeah, pickles are good.
When
You're out.
Seeing that you crave pickles when you're pregnant.
Oh, I know. I told him that, and I'm like, you're never gonna want to buy the pickles.
Well, Mikkel's pregnant. Did you not, Tyler? Did we talk
Horrible.
Yeah, I'm pregnant. I don't crave pickles. I like them, but I liked them before I was pregnant.
Wait, are you pregnant, Mikkel?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think I knew that.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm pregnant. Hi, thanks. I crave fried food and I crave Jimmy John's.
Jimmy John's is at least really healthy.
Yeah.
Most
Oh, compared to fried food, yeah.
So at least you have a balance there.
Yeah. So okay, I think we failed to reject the hypothesis.
That's what I put.
Okay, cool. Because the p-value is smaller than the test statistic. I think.
Suppose instead that you had used the alternative hypothesis that it's not equal to. I'm going to go in and say not equal to.
Do we have sufficient evidence?
That's correct. We have sufficient. Oh gosh, one of these two. We have sufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between the two cities are different. Well, that's true. But no, they're different. The mean is wait, not equal to, less than. No, they're equal to.
So we have sufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between the two cities are the same?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Wait, what? Whoa.
What?
Is it comparing the cities to each other, or the alternative hypotheses to each other?
I was looking at the means.
Yeah. So, because the mean is different, I have 260.059 and then 288.597.
But they don't change when it goes from less than to then equal to.
So, is it comparing the alternative hypothesis then,
I don't know.
or just the two cities between themselves?
Oh my gosh, I really have no clue. How did we do this last time? I'm bringing.
I don't know.
I'll put it. We have another choice. We have two chances at least. So
no, let's
if that's wrong, we'll try another.
Yeah, let's all do a different answer and see what happens.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. Okay.
One more person. I ever tell you guys that someone texted me once and they're like, "What time do you do your meetings?" They're going to join our group.
Wait, what?
I had someone, it was probably a few weeks ago, text me and ask what time we do our meetings at.
I wonder if it's that one girl that had signed up for our group but then never responded.
I would hope she dropped the class or is in a different group. That would be awesome.
Wait, what did we decide for 11?
No.
I'm leaving it with that we have sufficient evidence that they're the same, but I don't know.
Okay.
We'll see.
Might not go out.
For the next 6 questions, the data file for freshman dinner. This data represents the number of times freshmen students from Utah and Colorado cook their own dinner in a month. Let U1 represent the mean number of times a month that a student from Colorado cooks dinner, and let U2 represent the mean for Utah students. You suspect that freshmen from Utah cook dinner for themselves a different number of times than the freshmen from Colorado. Perform a hypothesis test to determine if your suspicion is correct. The null hypothesis. So the equal to, that's when I'm like, what do we put in for this little type of test?
So Colorado is U1.
But they put it backwards, didn't they? Rude. Wait, I don't have as many numbers. Don't I don't have you.
Yeah, I think that's the point.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like the Colorado's like doesn't have the same amount of numbers. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because the first one we had the same amount of numbers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's to like show us both sides of it, where if they're like even amount of sample size and then uneven, because then that will change the DF.
So type of test, what are you going to put for the type of test since they're equal to? Kylie?
What?
What are you going to put for the type of test since they're equal to?
I don't know, because the question 12 asks us to find what is an appropriate alternative hypothesis.
Oh.
Says you suspect that freshmen from Utah cooked dinner for themselves a different number of times than freshmen from Colorado. Perform a hypothesis test to determine if your suspicion is correct. So wouldn't it be U1 is less than U2? Or U1 is not equal to U2? Maybe not equal to.
You can go. I can drive over.
What?
I don't think they're equal to.
Yeah.
I think U1 is greater than U2.
We can try it. I'm going to go grab a water real quick.
We're on question 12, and we have 18. Usually we take it twice.
Well, I'm just going to say not equal to. What is the test statistic? You get negative 0.845?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, I got that too. And then the p-value.
.411.
Yeah.
And then we fail to reject.
Yeah, I got failed to reject.
Yeah.
Greater. Yep.
Okay. Determine the 95% confidence interval for U1 minus U2, an estimate for the difference between, and then input your answers below. So determine the margin of error for this 95% confidence interval. I suck at these. I get so confused.
No, wait.
What?
I don't know.
Sometimes I wonder, like, sometimes I would go back to the video and check to see if there's any viewers. I'm like, what if there's just some rando that just pops on and watches? Is that a weird thought? Probably.
That'd be so creepy.
Yeah. Okay. I don't have my notes with me. Is it, I can't remember what 95 is like. 1.906. What's the 95%? Anybody?
Isn't it like, I can't remember. 1 second. It's 1.96, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, well, I haven't got my notes. I missed my calculator. I don't like using my phone. Hey, I think has anyone else finished?
Not yet.
Oh, and last time I always did it wrong. Why did I do it again? So the point estimate, I know I was asking about that. That's like the 1.960. No, it's the X or the U. Oh. Okay. Let me know when you guys are done.
Just get the margin of error.
Yeah. 0.865. But I've always done it wrong. And then I remember the way you told me, but I can't remember how to get what the point estimate.
I think, well, what we did last time, and we got it right, was we took the difference of the means. So like variable 1 minus variable 2. The 15.200 minus the 6.667. And then that was our middle mean, and then we used the confidence interval to find the margin of error.
Yeah, okay. Variable 1 minus variable 2, that's right. 15.200 minus 6.667. Okay, Mom.
Did you guys get a number yet? Maybe. I don't think what I got is right.
Got negative 3.68. That time.
What'd you get?
Me? Or Kylie or Melissa?
I got negative 3.68.
I got 16.865. I think I did something wrong though.
I got 3.681.
681. Oh, mine will only go. I'm doing it on my phone, so it just goes to negative 3.68.
Was yours negative, Kylie?
No.
Oh. Okay, so I did the difference of the mean, and I got negative 1.467.
Yeah.
Right? Then I set it up so that I knew that the confidence, like the lower bound, was negative 5.147. That equaled the point estimate, right? Or was that?
So did you subtract the negative?
So then it would be negative 1.467 minus x. Oh, but then I have a negative x. You're right, and I needed to divide by the negative, so I got 3.68. Thank you.
Okay.
But it only gives me that much, so I can't round to the next. You said it was a 1.
Because for the upper bound, the 2.214,
Yeah.
I got 3.6805. So I was just gonna round to 681. Does that make sense?
Yep, definitely did. Thank you.
Okay.
I think our next test is probably next week, huh?
That's what I was thinking. You guys hear me okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
What did you guys get for 18?
So for 17, I got negative 5.147, and then 18, I got 2.214.
Say 17 one more time. Negative 5.147.
147, which I just got from the Excel sheet.
That's right. Okay. All right.
Let me do my lesson 12 homework.
I'm going to submit.
Okay.
Hey, I think we only got one wrong. And it was probably just me. Yeah, the question 11 was the only one I got wrong.
I think it's we have sufficient evidence that between the two cities are different. I could try that one and submit it if you want.
Sure. I mean, I'm fine with the 94, but
Okay, that one's still wrong.
Ooh.
So now we have insufficient evidence, but it's one of the two.
I never know how to do these.
Me neither. They're the worst.
Well, I can try one. Aha! Okay, number 11 is B. We have insufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between the two cities are different.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, so let me know when you guys are ready and I can give you the answers.
Okay, I am starting it again. Give me like 30 seconds. Okay. I'm ready. Mikkel's ready.
Yeah, mine. Good.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
3 is the first two. Yes, I can share my screen too. Did that help last time? I thought it helped. Whoa. That's so tricky. Can you guys see this?
Yeah.
Do I need to make it bigger? If I like made it all the way big, can you see it?
I can see it.
Okay. So 3 is the first two. 4 is the t-score. 5, knowing the second one, knowing which subjects will be in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects will be in group 2. Number 6, 3, 7.996. 7, 206.637. 8, negative 0.434. 9, 0.333. 10, fail to reject. 11, the second one, we have insufficient evidence that the mean census bills between the two cities are different. 12, the not equal to. 13, negative 0.845. P-value 0.411. 15, fail to reject. 16, 3.681. 17, negative 5.147. 18, 2.214. Any repeats?
Yeah, what's 13 and 14?
13, negative 0.845.
Okay.
14, 0.411.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah, I got everything.
Okay, got 100.
Yep.
Woohoo! We're so proud.
Yay.
Okay, we're all done. Woohoo! Yay.
Yay.
See ya.